Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming designers who foster programming and innovation arrangements universally. It makes a worldwide market for processing power, and the registering assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and offbeat assignment execution. Adaptable apparatuses assist the engineers with making and circulate, and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This multitude of administrations are accessible for a charge, similarly not as much as contenders. The Golem environment expects to give programming improvement, AI, and logical estimation, which are the fate of web blockchain, accessible and available for everybody. Golem was presented in Switzerland in the year 2016 by the Golem Plan. It was helped to establish by Julian Zawistowski, Andrzej Regulski, Peter Janiuk, Alexander Skr Zipczak. The organization sent off in 2018, and the ICO cost of GNT around then was 1 penny. At the point when the frenzy of digital currency was controlled, Golem detonated from its cost levels. What's more, GNT shows an unexpected convention to $1, which was astonishing, and an overbought position for another digital money around then. The biological system incorporates individual and expert software engineers, Golem application vault, requesters, and suppliers. Golem Ventures' local coin is called GLM, which was relocated from GNT. Elements of Golem: the adaptable open-source Golem stage permits shared networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is portrayed by availability, open access, control-safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless environment is an aid for programming designers. SDK assists with grasping their innovativeness and exhibitability to the world. The processing power can be pondered as the two frameworks as a help and programming as an assistance. The installment frameworks are effectively open, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they declared the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client use administration. The organization has presented Thorg, the main mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more elevated level local area commitment. Golem leads a prize administration program much of the time, which guarantees fabricating a gigantic client base for the stage. The guide of the Golem has been separated into metal, earth, stone, iron. It has teamed up with speculative chemistry with an undertaking called Get to Know Life at Golem. Golem has faith in the chances of Web3 and joined forces with Crowd, which is a specialist in the game improvement field. They have been related with better advancements in the framework. Its gone on up degree in innovation principles gives programming designers to track and run with the product advancement world. GNT to GLM relocation. Golem organization token GNT is relocated into GLM. GNT was the previous badge of the Golem organization, which has begun to move into GLM toward the finish of 2020. GLM is an ERC20 token. Its critical exchange costs have applied the charge of relocation exchanges in Ethereum in light of the fact that Golem's new exchange network is developed in Ethereum Layer 2. In any case, this relocation cycle is going on. The purpose for the relocation is that the coin sent off in 2016 ERC20 token was very little well known. ERC20 is presently unreservedly available in Layer 2, DeFi, and decentralized trades. Expanded acknowledgement, convenience, and adaptability of ERC20 have caused Golem to relocate into another coin. There are fundamentally three choices for movement. First is relocating with the web utilization of Golem called MetaMask. The second is movement from the Golem application assuming you have an extra Ethereum account. The third is bringing in Golem keys to MetaMask. Market status of Golem. The market cap of Golem is $399,187,312.82, with a coursing supply of 1 billion GLM. As of now, the vast majority of the computerized coins are exchanging red and level after a gigantic meeting. Just certain coins are up on the week because of the positive declarations. GLM gave a 8% revisitation of their financial backer over the most recent half year and 3% cynicism last week. Despite the fact that it requires an additional 3 years to cross the record-breaking high of GLM on Golem cost forecast, it ought to be noticed that the plan of action and administrations given by the stage are exceptionally demandable. The contemporary innovation world is taking a gander at the decentralized framework and progressed blockchain innovation stage, which likewise has tremendous development potential. Specialized examination of Golem. The Golem cost today is around 39 cents. And it confronted a slight rectification with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The greatest cost as of now is enlisted at 43 cents, and the base cost is 39 cents. The unsurpassed exorbitant cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. An everything time low is noted at $0, which was in 2016. Verifiable information and the specialized examination mirror that in the month-to-month graph from 2018 to 2022, Golem cost has on a round-based development executing little-worth exchanges. The GLM cost rise has seen bullish toward the start of the year. From June 22, 2021, the cost of the Golem has started an upswing which wound up at a cost of 78 cents from 76 cents low. Then, at that point, after a cost rectification on Golem tokens took support at 50 cents with a morning star development. Be that as it may, the upturn couldn't be supported, and GLM cost began moving sideways for the last scarcely any exchanging meeting. Investigating the opposition and backing levels on the day-to-day diagram, the following obstruction level is 49 cents. In the event that GLM cost can cross the close-term obstacle, it can test the opposition level at 60 cents. The prompt help level is 34 cents. And the significant help level is 27 cents. Dread and eagerness list is 45. The cost volume pattern of the drawn-out cost graph from 2018 to 2021 appears to be intriguing. Note the critical cost change on the diagram. The cost to volume marker is profoundly unpredictable, which shows some time the coin has been controlled, and cost and volume have errors in conduct. Presently, regardless of whether the cost is attempting to push high, the volume has not expanded much contrasted with past exchanging segments. The explanation for such a contention is the high unpredictability of the crypto market, which varies and for each and every adjustment of the economy. Throughout the time span, digital forms of money are supposed to be profoundly demandable since they annul the worries, exchange time, and charge of government-issued types of money. Golem Value Expectation 2022. Golem figure information for 2022 is decently bullish. The base GLM cost could reach 49 cents. Golem merit effective money management to contact a limit of 56 cents. In light of the drawn-out conjectures, the Golem will exchange with a typical cost of 52 cents. Merchants can put resources into Golem for the medium term to acquire huge benefits from their speculation. Golem Crypto Value Expectation 2023. The cost expectation Golem for 2023 from all specialists guessing that the Golem cost will raise a ruckus around town value level of 63 cents. The typical cost and least cost of Golem for 2023 is 58 cents and 53 cents separately. GLM Value Expectation 2024. Interest in any monetary road generally expects the worth of the organization will increment in the long haul. Essentially, dealers and financial backers can expect a cost ascend later on cost of Golem. In 2024, Golem could exchange with a typical cost of 61 cents and is supposed to outperform 72 cents around the same time according to our conjecture. Golem Coin Value Forecast 2025. Golem devotees are bullish on the Golem estimate for 2025. Golem cost surpasses the greatest degree of 88 cents. The base cost and normal cost could reach 69 cents and 78 cents separately. Crypto is known as the fate of monetary forms. The whole crypto market is anticipated to be bullish for